Would you like to feel your home as a winter wonderland? Let us show you how. Introducing our set of 4 stunning square prints featuring authentic macro photography of snowy foliage. These unframed canvas pieces are perfect for giving your walls a modern and unique touch. Picture this: delicate snowflakes resting on colorful leaves, all captured in breathtaking detail. Each print is a window into nature's serene beauty, bringing a sense of tranquility to any room. Whether for your living room, bedroom, or office, these prints are the perfect way to embrace the calm of winter, and they make a one-of-a-kind gift for anyone who loves the season. Don't miss out on transforming your space with these beautiful, serene artworks. Get your set now, and let winter's tranquility fill your home.